morning, everyone. Today we're here to show you how to create a visual schedule with Pic Collage. So step one, we're going to find pictures online of common activities or take pictures of activities around the house. You can even draw pictures of activities around the house. So here we have any pictures of toys. You can crop it and you can save it. And that's what our step two is. After you find the pictures, we're going to save the pictures. Step three, once you have your pictures, we're going to download Pic Collage. And once Pic Collage is downloaded, we're going to open the app, create new collage, and then we can find our photos in here. We're going to add 5 photos in a row. We're going to click breakfast, get dressed, play, clean up, and snack. Now, we can rearrange the photos. We're going to do breakfast, get dressed, play, clean up, and snack. Of course, depending on what routine you guys use at home, it can be any order and it can be any amount of visuals. As you can see, Frankie's adding effects and text if you like. Some pictures you find might not have the text next to them, so you can add your own text. You can add a background, anything fun, anything motivating for your child. And finally, we're going to click Save to Library. So now that it's saved to your library, it's going to be in your photos, so you can refer to it whenever you need. So there's one that we made. And if you have different schedules throughout the day, maybe a morning schedule or an afternoon schedule, you can have them all ready. If you know you're going to be doing the same thing every morning or every Monday or Wednesday or whatever it is, it's going to be here and ready, so you don't have to make a new schedule every day. So you can build up your own bank and your own library of schedules. And if this is a platform that you feel that can work well for you, then I hope this video helps.